For attorney Luis Guillermo Perez, the date set by the Supreme Court of Justice to investigate Alvaro Uribe is very important. On September 3rd, the former president and current senator will appear in court along 30 other witnesses.
Colombian justice is finally acting against Senator Alvaro Uribe. 22 criminal investigations are being processed at the Supreme Court and 276 in the Investigation and Accusation Commission of the Chamber. So we hope that despite all the delay in actions he's taken, he may at least be condemned by the court.
Journalist and Bogota Councilor Holman Morris thinks Senator Uribe ought to respect justice institutions.
Today we have a situation in which one of the most powerful men in the country, who has always demanded respect for the institutions, must respect them himself. The country and society demand that he answer the call of the court.
But Uribe and his supporters claim that there are irregularities in the process.
There are well-known and controversial cases like the one where Coronel Alfonso Plazas was forgiven in regards to the case of the disappeared people of the Justice Palace. With a very controversial sentence, the court noted that there was not sufficient evidence to prove that he was responsible for the disappearances. The magistrate responsible for that was Dr. Barceló.
Nonetheless, he will have to appear first in court this coming Tuesday to defend himself in a case of defamation and offense against lawyer and human rights defender Manuel Garzón. Uribe accused him of being a terrorist on Twitter.
What we've constantly said is that the accusations of the president put the accused at risk, even more if the process is done by extrajudicial means. These reports are not taking place in a process in which one can ask for evidence, but instead it's taking place on social media, where the real hatred campaigns are.
This is not the first time Uribe went to trial for defamation allegations. Uribe's defense has challenged the 3 magistrates who are currently in charge of investigating him for bribery and fraud. The judges will have to resolve the defense challenge before the former president appears in court on September 3rd.